Let's move on to our next topic, adding purchases, essential for filling up our inventory. Managing quantities in your inventory is crucial. Although we've added our items previously, we haven't adjusted our inventory to reflect actual stock levels. To update the inventory in the system, we'll proceed by adding purchases. There are two ways to do this. Firstly, manually. Secondly, by importing purchases. Let's start by adding a purchase manually. Navigate to the Purchase section and click on the Add Purchase tab. Choose the warehouse for the order. For instance, I'm selecting my stockroom as Virar. Select the supplier providing the product. For now, I'm adding a test supplier for all inventory. Initially, you don't have to add a supplier for your first import. A test supplier is sufficient. However, managing suppliers is highly recommended for future operations. Pick the items you wish to purchase. Enter the quantity received. Click the Submit button. But before, ensure the status is set as received to reflect the increased count accurately in the system. Let's move on to the next topic, importing purchases. Navigate to the Purchase tab and select Add Purchase by CSV. Now first download the sample file. Please note, when adding purchases, you have to input the product codes instead of item names along with their respective quantities. Here, as you can see, I've included the product code, net unit cost, quantity, and tax rates based on my requirements and the items which I added earlier. Save the file in CSV format, as previously explained. Choose the supplier and designate the stockroom for the incoming quantities. If you have multiple stockrooms, then you have to create the separate purchase entries for each one. Upload your CSV file. Optionally, attach any relevant documents such as a copy of the invoice. Finally, click the Submit button. Your purchase will be instantly added, and you can go and verify the updated quantities in your inventory. That's it. We had completed our inventory setup process.